So, doctor, tell me something. As a gynecologist, why are there so many C sections than normal deliveries? Is it because doctors make more money when they do a C section? Or is it because I don't know why? I mean, this is still a because.
Yeah, Arya, this is a very important and a burning question, I'll say. I think the most important problem is time. People doesn't have time. They want easy go, easy come. Because cesarean section is just you fix a date, you fix a time, you tell your doc, come doctor, I need a baby. My baby is ready. Okay, I need a baby on this date, on this time. Okay, you can you do it? Okay, I'm coming. So usually the things are like this. So one aspect is this, and another is a fear, I think. There's a lot of fear associated with normal delivery. They think normal is unknown territory. You don't know where you're landing, because definitely during normal labor you have to undergo a process. It takes maybe sometimes 24 hours, sometimes 48 hours. Okay, so you have to be make the society educated about both of the things to change this scenario.
So, is it because the patient wants a C section?
Yeah, because they don't have the knowledge, right? They don't know कि a safer delivery can happen normally also without pain. Painless epidural deliveries can happen. So they don't have a knowledge about it. So they switch to a simpler and a easier option. They think that cesarean is much safer for a baby and a mother. So that's what happening, I think. The surprising thing is it's not just about the private sector. When you're talking about money, then we think that it's just happening in a private sector, but it's not about just a private sector. If you go to a government setup also, the amount, even though compared to a normal private sector, the number of normal deliveries are more in government sector, but still the percentage has increased massively.
Pamper, not just a hospital, but a mother.